Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Leonardo AI to add and customize your own image. Leonardo will allow you to create amazing and unique artwork with your face on the photo, so let's get started now. As you can see right now, we are currently at homepage of Leonardo AI, and what we're going to be using for today is the basic feature, which is the AI image generation over here. Over here now to be able to upload your different photos. Because for today's video, we will be focusing on using your own face and uploading it, and having it as a reference or a basis for Leonardo to be able to generate artwork based on it. Now we are currently in the image generation over here, and what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down over here on the left side, and you're going to select the image prompt over here. At the SAP upload the specific image or your own image. In this section, you have different settings over here. The higher the image or the higher the value of the image weight. It means the output going to be produced by Leonardo. I have uploaded a photo, and this is the highest version, and this is like a 0.5 version. You can see that there will be difference between the two photos. Over here, we will do the same thing for our demonstration over here. So for more clear and to the point image, try and adjust the version and regenerate the image. That's how you can use Leonardo AI to add and customize your own image. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.